Alright kids, today we have even more sharks buried in the sand.
Oh, I see a fin. You got a blue shark.
What's in there?
I don't know.
We got a great white shark.
A whale.
What's in its mouth?
Ew, it's throwing up sand. It's falling out. I can see it. Let's pull it out. Ooh. Let's check out. You pull out one, I'll pull out one.
They look like brothers.
They are brothers. What else do we got in here? Anglerfish coming.
Oh, don't tell me the anglerfish is back. It looks like he grew up.
He got it. So let's see what we got. Does something.
What is that?
I think it's a sawfish. Big. Look it does this. Pulls out. Oh.
What is that?
Let's try it out. What was that?
Oh no, did you see something go by?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Or something.
A tentacle?
It might be Squidward.
It's like the Kraken.
That crack on. I think it's like a sticky squid where you can stick it to.
A stinky squid?
I didn't say.
Look, a crab. You know what the crabs do to hide from ugly anglerfish, right? Look at that anglerfish knows he's there. But he doesn't like the taste of sand, so.
Got something.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's a dark. Even more sea creatures in the sand. That's pretty cool. Like
I got a dolphin.
the humpback whale.
I got a dolphin.
You got a dolphin. See another fin.
This is crazy.
Kind of. Oh, it's a.
Do you know hammerheads use their hammer heads?
Huh?
Yeah, and then like it's like you know how their favorite food is stingrays, so they can look for.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's cool. All right, last one. Scared. Uh-oh. Anglerfish is scared. He's out of here.
Little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. No, you shall have no pie. You shall have no pie. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, see here, we have found our mittens. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, let us have some pie. Oh, let us have some pie. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up their pie. Oh mother dear, we greatly fear that we have sold our mittens. What? Sold your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then they began to sigh. Meow, meow, dear, do you not hear that we have washed our mittens? What? Wash your mittens, then you're good kittens, but I smell a rat close by. Meow, 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 meow. We smell a rat close by. We smell a rat close by.
Sore loser. Daniel Craft. I remember this. What is this place?
The T-Rex. Rawr.
Oh, look at the laser. Wake up! In here. I have one. What? Oh, me too.
Oh, laser tag. Pew, pew.
Yeah, but where? The front door's over there. Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, it did. Let me try. Stop it!
Stop doing that.
We're safe. Oh! Check it out. Also be sure to check out their Jurassic Fight Night and you guys do more Sneak Attack Squad videos. Yeah, of course we can. Next week, we're gonna flush the thing out the garage. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for a picture, Rez. You're awesome. Also, you guys. What are you doing? Ah!